Facebook has finally added the ability to select multiple groups when you are sharing your post. Let me just prove that to you. Share, group, and now you can finally select all of your groups. I'm just kidding. I wish Facebook would do this, but since they're not going to do this, check out this Chrome extension that literally lets you select all of your groups or some of them and then post to those groups. Now stick with me here because this is much more than just sharing a post to multiple groups. So to start, let's click on load all right over here. This will load all of the groups because right now only 20 groups are showing and I want to post this post to all of my groups. So when I click load, it loads all my groups and now it has 109 groups loaded, which is fantastic. So I could click select all, then quick share to all of the 139 groups. As you can see over here, all of the groups I'm in. And now I can just type a blurb like, check this out. It's insane. And then click share now, and that's it. It will start sharing into all the groups. As you can see, one by one, it will start sharing into all the groups, which is absolutely fantastic when you think about it, to just be able to share to all your groups just like that in one click. Now, if that was it, that would be absolutely insane, and I would add that to Chrome right now. But it's not it. Let's start showing you all the functions of this unbelievable Chrome extension, which is changing the game for social media marketers. See, normally when you try and share to a group, you can only share one at a time. You have to type a blurb manually over here and then click post, then go back and try and remember the last group that you posted in, which is a bit of a ridiculous workflow for professional business owners who are trying to get work done quickly. That's why this Chrome extension is going to solve that problem. Now, it also has unbelievable extra tools like group presets, where you can literally create group presets, which are predetermined groups which you've chosen in the past, and apply a preset. Let me click apply preset just to show you how that looks. So as you can see, it's applying my marketing group audience, which is basically a group of groups. Sounds weird, group of groups. But it's a group of groups which I've already predetermined. So as you can see, it's selected all of those marketing groups. Can you see that? All the ones that I've predetermined in the past, and it selected them. Now I can share this post to that predetermined marketing group, as you can see over here. And then I can just type, guys, this one's for you. And then share now, and it will share to all of those groups, which is absolutely fantastic for professional marketers, or even for the average user who just wants a huge amount of people seeing your content. You can join groups and share to the groups in one click. Now, there's another function, one-click presets. We'll leave that for another video. But let me show you the actual Chrome extension because I think it deserves to be seen right now. So this is how it looks inside. Now, I know it's a bit overwhelming, but the good news is you no longer have to use it. You can do everything in this interface here now. The only thing you can't do here is actually create these group presets. The only way to create a group preset is to go into the Chrome extension and type the blurb over here. Like, for example, guys, check this out. And then you go and select the groups from here. For example, if I do undo all the selected and type marketing, and then select all the marketing groups. Now, if I post on this end, I can share to selected groups and create a preset in that way, which is kind of amazing if you think about it, because then you'll be able to reuse those presets. So for example, if I do that right now, I click on share to selected groups, you'll see what happens is you get this save as group preset function, which allows you to then save it and then give it a name, my marketing groups, and then you save it, and that's it. Now you can use it whenever you want directly over here on the main user interface. Whenever you feel like it, you'll find it over here on the group preset. Over here, as you can see, I just added it right now and it's down here. So this is amazing functionality for people regularly posting to the same groups. Now, there's more functionality that I want to demonstrate in this video. It's the saved post templates. So you know how you have to type a blurb. Let me just explain what a blurb is. A blurb is the text that you have to type here. Blurb. This is the blurb text. Over here, you don't have to ever type a text here. You can just share without typing, but I recommend typing something friendly like, guys, this is a lifesaver, something that's going to make people, like, first of all, approve it into the group, but secondly, like, be human. Do you know what I mean? Be human about your posts. So let me just show you what that is. So now let's go back into the extension, and then I click on here, and here we are. This is a post template, so I can create one just like this. Guys, check this out, and then type in here, that's just the name of it. This doesn't actually show up for the end user. Guys, this one's for you. Thank me later. Fantastic. So now we have this, which is the one I just created, and we have group templates, which I've demonstrated already. And this is where the real power of this Chrome extension comes. It's called the one-click share templates. Now, what this is basically it allows you to create a one-click sharing situation. So if I click create new, you can give it a name. It's a list with a post template. So for example, if I say marketing groups, check this out, that's going to be the name of the template. And the group list I'm going to choose is the one I just created with you in this video. And then the post template is going to be the guys, check this out. And that's it. When I click create template, I now have one template which I can use. Now, let me just refresh everything to show you that this is real and this actually works. So I'm refreshing Facebook completely right now. And I'm going to go to this post again, the one I want to post. And then I'm going to click share, group. And then watch this. When I click on the one-click preset button, I literally have a one-click share template. Now, when I click use now, this is where the true power lies in this Chrome extension. This is where you are going to be able to never have to remember or never have to look for anything and never get overwhelmed by sharing your content to many, many groups. So if I click use now, watch this. Starting to share with the marketing groups. Check this out. Watch this. Now, what it's going to do, it's literally selected all the groups and it's going to type the blurb all in one click, guys. Can you see the power of this? I'm actually going to let it run by itself. So I'm actually going to let this run because I really do want this video to be posted to all of the marketing groups. I genuinely think there's value in this post. I think all marketing people who share on Facebook should know about this Chrome extension and should use it, should add it to Chrome and make it part of your life. It's very easy. It can be used directly on Facebook. You don't have to actually click on the Chrome extension, which makes it absolutely a no-brainer for marketing companies. So as you can see, it's doing one at a time right now. And if we can actually watch it do it live. Let's watch it do it live right now. It's going to post to the next group. It's going to go and post in the Facebook ads and marketing group. And then it's going to type the same blurb and then do the work. So I'm actually going to let this post to 58 marketing groups that I'm in. And that's all with one click. Remember, I set the preset once and I can reuse this preset any time of day. So thank you for watching this video. If you're into time saving or marketing, anything like that, follow us because this channel is all about showing you how to save time and make more money so that you can come home earlier and stop working 24/7. See you in the next one. Bye for now.